So I hope you are fine and healthy at your home. Now we are going to start chapter number 8, which is electromagnetic wave. Also it is unit number 5th. We have a question that if the height of TV antenna is h, then prove that it can transmit TV signals up to distance d equal to under root 2 RH. So we'll make a diagram where h is a AB is a antenna which height is h, and left AB antenna is AB, height installed of the surface. Surface radius of earth is b. Then can we receive the signals with the circle of radius d of surface of earth. This we can see that is the radius. Now in this diagram we must understand that we have to show that AOC is 90 degree. AOC triangle AOC is 90 degree, or we can write ACO, this is also 90 degree. So in this triangle we'll use the Pythagoras theorem. AO square equal to AC square plus OC square. We know that AO is, what is our AO? H plus R. Yeah, R plus H square equal to D square plus R square. So we'll square that. A plus B whole square equal to A square plus B square plus 2AB equal to D square plus R square. We know that we'll cancel R square to R square. We have H square plus 2RH equal to D square. In diagram we'll see that R is very greater than to H. H is height of TV antenna. We can neglect because our R is the radius of earth. In the mean of radius of earth, height of antenna is neglected. Then we have only D square equal to 2RH or D equal to under root 2RH. That is our desired derivation. Thank you. Now we'll see the ground wave propagation and sky wave propagation. How wave propagate to the another level. So ground wave propagation, first we'll study about ground wave propagation. The radio wave following the surface of earth is called surface wave or ground wave. The radio wave following the surface of earth. So in this type of wave propagation we can see in a diagram. A large portion of wave energy is in space above the surface of earth. The propagation of wave is guided along the earth's surface, follow curvature path. Generally we know that we need a transmitter where the signal will be transmitted and the receiver's chain. We'll see there the ground wave propagation from transmitter to the receiver. Ground wave frequency is 500 kilohertz to 15 kilohertz, 500 hertz to 15 kilohertz. So these are the ground wave propagation, the radio wave following the surface of earth. And in this type of wave propagation follow the path of curvature. This is our ground wave, or we can say it a surface wave. But if we talk about sky wave propagation, then the audio modulated radio wave. This is our audio wave, audio modulated radio wave, which received after being reflected from the ionosphere. This is received from reflecting by ionosphere. This is our ionosphere. Being reflected from the ionosphere are called sky wave. These waves are very high frequency. We can see here 2 to 30 megahertz. This frequency is very high. That's why they are sky wave. So the audio modulated radio wave which are received after being reflected from ionosphere, and is in this consequence total internal reflection will be come into cases. We know that this is our transmitting antenna, this is our receiving antenna. We have a two antenna. So this is earth surface. Then sky wave will reflected through the ionosphere, then received by the receiving antenna. So this frequency is very high Also collect all the necessary data by your book. Thank you.